Former Kaizer Chiefs and Bafana Bafana star Jabu Mahlangu has thrown his weight behind national team coach Hugo Broos in the wake of criticism following South Africa's early exit from the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations. The national side bowed out in the round of 16 after a 2-1 defeat to Cameroon, sparking heated debate on Idiski TV, where former players Benedict Vilakazi and Junior Kanye questioned Broos's tactics and long-term suitability. Despite finishing second in their group behind Egypt, Bafana Bafana were widely viewed as underwhelming throughout the tournament, prompting Vilakazi to suggest that Broos be replaced ahead of the 2025 FIFA World Cup in North America. But Mahlangu slammed those calls as short-sighted and out of touch with the broader transformation under the Belgian mentor, and said, I hear Vilakazi saying Coach Broos must be fired. It's still early in the year and I think so is still in December. He's a coach, he has coaching badges, but he's not coaching anywhere. Why is he not coaching so we can see what he can do? His comments are reckless and today's players will not respect that. Mahlangu argued that Broos's work cannot be dismissed on the basis of one tournament result. Since taking over, Broos has revitalized the national team structure, widened the talent pool, and fostered a clear football identity. Elements Mahlangu believes had been long missing. With less than 6 months before the World Cup kicks off across Mexico, Canada, and the USA, Mahlangu dismissed the notion of making a drastic change and said, why would you fire a coach with just 5 months before the World Cup? What can a new coach realistically achieve in that time? The former midfielder also credited Broos for sparking renewed passion among supporters, something he says cannot be ignored, and said it has been a long time since we lost because of this guy. Our dignity is back. Before Hugo Broos, the stadiums were empty. Now the supporters are back and there is atmosphere again. In a pointed message to former players, now working as pundits, Mahlangu urged constructive analysis instead of public takedowns and said you have coaching badges, but you spend your time attacking other coaches and you're not even coaching in the first division. I'm defending South Africa and our national coach because you cannot overlook his contribution. We finally have direction. As the countdown to the 2026 World Cup continues, Mahlangu insists that stability, not upheaval, is what Bafana Bafana needs most. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.